Welcome to Finsight Analytics. Finsight Analytics is excited to introduce you to DataGeniee from the family of Genieepro, an AI-powered analytics platform. With DataGeniee, you are ready to make data-driven decisions effortlessly. Let's dive into how this platform can transform your data analytics experience. DataGeniee offers seamless data connectivity. You can upload XLSX and CSV files effortlessly, importing your data files with ease. Get your data ready for analysis in minutes. With DataGeniee, you can ask your questions in plain language. Our AI does the heavy lifting, providing you with real-time insights instantly. DataGeniee excels in ETL processes, making it easy to handle your data. Our platform brings your data to life with stunning visualizations. Leveraging cutting-edge AI algorithms, DataGeniee uncovers insights that you might miss otherwise. Explore, analyze, and decide. Dive deep into your data to uncover hidden patterns. Utilize advanced analytics to generate actionable insights. Make confident, data-driven decisions to propel your business forward. DataGeniee allows you to download your results. Export your data tables to Excel or download stunning charts and graphs for your presentations. This ensures that your insights are not only actionable, but also shareable. We understand the importance of data security. DataGeniee ensures that your data is never sent to large language models and is never stored beyond your session time. Simplify your data journey with Genieepro. We look forward to seeing how Genieepro can help you achieve your goals.